In this video, I'm going to show you how to smudge in Krita. Now, the first thing I would recommend you do is actually duplicate the layer you want to smudge. So I'm just gonna go to this layer, which is my logo over here. I'm gonna right click it and I'm going to click on duplicate layer or mask. Now that's done and we can go ahead and start smudging. So to do this, you have two options. You can select a brush and then go to the top over here with your brush selected, and you can either click on over here to actually find different brushes, or just go to the bottom right and in here just type in blur. Okay, it's gonna find this one, which is called the blender blur. But if you go up top over here, you can just type in blend or blur or whatever, and it's going to find this one, which again is called the blender blur. Now this blender blur tool is actually a smudge tool, so if I actually zoom in over here, I can adjust the size of my brush here, and you'll be able to see that if I go like this, I'm actually now smudging over my image. Of course, I've generated a separate layer just to not destroy the original one, but yeah, that's essentially how you smudge, and you can then do this with whatever you actually want. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.